Ever thought about why tiger snakes are so named? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery, the tiger snake. A moniker that paints a vivid image of a creature with the stripes of a tiger and the slither of a snake. It's a name that encapsulates the enigma of this reptile. But where did this name originate? The answer lies in the distinctive bands that drape the snake's body. The banded pattern, reminiscent of a tiger's stripes, gives the tiger snake its name. However, not all tiger snakes display this pattern. Some are completely black, while others are olive, yellow, orange, or even brown. It's a tantalizing variety that adds to the mystery of this snake. But the mystery doesn't end there. The tiger snake is not just one species, but a collection of closely related species. There's the mainland tiger snake, the Tasmanian tiger snake, and the peninsula tiger snake, to name a few. Each species has its unique traits, yet they all fall under the tiger snake umbrella. Now let's talk about where these fascinating creatures reside. The tiger snake's geographical distribution is as varied as its color patterns. Australia is its main stomping ground, with a presence across the southern regions of the continent. They inhabit a wide range of habitats, from coastal dunes and marshes to scrublands and grasslands. You might even find one in the heart of a bustling city, a testament to their adaptability. So we have a snake named after a tiger, with a diverse range of colors and patterns, multiple species, and a habitat that spans city and country. Each fact adds a new layer to the mystery of the tiger snake, a creature that's as fascinating as it is feared. Aren't you intrigued by the enigma that is the tiger snake? Let's delve deeper. Did you know tiger snakes possess one of the most potent venoms in the world? This is no exaggeration. The venom of a tiger snake is a lethal cocktail of neurotoxins, coagulants, myotoxins, and hemolysins. It's a deadly brew designed to immobilize prey and kickstart the digestive process. Let's delve a little deeper into this venom's effects. The neurotoxins target the nervous system, causing symptoms like tingling, numbness, and eventually paralysis. Coagulants mess with your blood's ability to clot, leading to uncontrolled bleeding. Myotoxins attack muscle tissue, potentially causing muscle damage, and the hemolysins, they're there to destroy red blood cells. It's like a symphony of destruction, all from a single bite. Now, the tiger snake doesn't just have a deadly venom, it also has an efficient delivery system. These snakes are armed with long, hinged fangs that can deliver a deep, penetrating bite, ensuring the venom quickly enters the victim's system. This bite mechanism is as effective as it is terrifying, making tiger snakes one of the most formidable predators in their ecosystem. But here's the thing, tiger snakes aren't out to get us. They're not malevolent creatures. They bite humans primarily in self-defense. So, if you encounter one, give it space and respect, and it's likely to slither away without a fuss. However, if you're unfortunate enough to be bitten, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. Anti-venom is available and can save lives, but time is of the essence. The quicker you get treated, the better your chances of survival. Tiger snakes, like all creatures, play a vital role in our ecosystem. Their venom, as deadly as it is an essential tool for their survival. It's a part of what makes them such fascinating creatures, but it's also a stark reminder of the respect we should afford these remarkable reptiles. The venom of a tiger snake is not something to underestimate, but remember, they don't bite without reason. So let's admire them, study them, but always from a safe distance. Scene script: tiger snakes are fascinating in their behavior and diet. Ready to find out why? Let's start with their hunting techniques. Tiger snakes, like other reptiles, are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on external sources of heat. So they typically hunt in the morning when they're all warmed up and raring to go. They are ambush predators, preferring to sit still and wait for their prey to wander into striking distance. When the moment is right, they lunge forward with lightning speed, delivering a quick and deadly bite. Now, what about their diet? Tiger snakes aren't picky eaters. They'll chow down on a variety of animals. Frogs are a favorite, but they also dine on small mammals, birds, and even other reptiles. They've even been known to eat fish if they're near water. They swallow their prey whole, often while it's still alive. It's a bit gruesome, but that's the wild for you. Tiger snakes have some unique behavioral traits that set them apart from other snakes. For starters, they're excellent swimmers. They're often found near water and can swim across rivers and even seas. They're also one of the few snake species that give birth to live young, instead of laying eggs. Another interesting behavior is their defensive posture. If they feel threatened, they'll flatten their body and lift their upper body off the ground, ready to strike. Their bands, reminiscent of a tiger's stripes, become more apparent in this stance, which is probably why they're called tiger snakes. Lastly, let's not forget their venom. Tiger snakes are one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Their venom contains powerful neurotoxins, coagulants, and myotoxins. A single bite can be fatal if not treated promptly. But remember, they only bite as a last resort when they feel threatened. A tiger snake's behavior and diet make it a fascinating creature to study, don't they? Scene script. Are you wondering how tiger snakes interact with humans? Let's find out. When it comes to human interaction, tiger snakes often get a bad rap. This might be because of their venomous nature, but it's important to remember, these snakes aren't out to get us. Quite the opposite, in fact. Tiger snakes are generally shy creatures that would rather steer clear of human interaction. When they feel threatened, they will resort to a defensive posture, flattening their bodies to appear larger and more intimidating. Does this mean we should go around poking at tiger snakes to see this behavior? Absolutely not. As with all wildlife, respecting their space is crucial. They're not coming into our homes uninvited, so we should extend the same courtesy to them. Plus, it's worth noting that most snake bites occur when humans attempt to handle or kill these creatures. So, let's leave them be, shall we? Now, you might be wondering, what if you stumble upon a tiger snake unexpectedly? The best course of action is to remain calm and slowly back away, giving the snake plenty of room to retreat. Remember, they're more scared of us than we are of them. If they are in an area where they pose a risk to others, contact a local wildlife control or snake catcher. They're trained professionals who know how to handle these situations safely. So, what's the takeaway here? Tiger snakes, like all creatures, play an essential role in our ecosystem. They help control rodent populations and in turn contribute to maintaining the balance of nature. They may be one of the most venomous snakes in the world, but they're not villains. They're simply wild animals doing their best to survive, just like us. Let's cultivate a healthy respect for these creatures and their space. After all, we share this planet with them. It's up to us to ensure we coexist peacefully and respectfully. Remember, tiger snakes are more scared of us than we are of them. The tiger snake is a crucial part of our ecosystem, but how can we ensure their survival? Tiger snakes are currently classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, this doesn't mean they're without threats. Habitat destruction, climate change, and human encroachment all pose significant risks to these slithering creatures. To safeguard their future, we need to keep a few things in mind. First, preserving their natural habitats is paramount. This means protecting the wetlands, grasslands, and scrubs they call home from further destruction. Second, we need to educate ourselves and others about these misunderstood creatures. Contrary to popular belief, tiger snakes aren't mindless killers, but essential predators in their ecosystems. Finally, supporting organizations that work towards snake conservation can make a huge difference. Whether through direct donations or participation in their initiatives, every effort counts. Every creature plays a vital role in our ecosystem, and the tiger snake is no exception. Oh, we've learned a lot about tiger snakes today, haven't we? We've journeyed into the mystery of their name, inspired by their striking tiger-like stripes. We've delved into the potency of their venom, a deadly cocktail that makes them one of the most feared snakes in the world. We've also observed their behavior and diet, learning how they thrive in various habitats and feed on a diverse range of prey. We've tackled how they interact with humans, a complex relationship that demands caution and respect from both sides. Lastly, we've highlighted the importance of their conservation, the dedicated efforts to preserve these unique creatures in their natural environment. These key points underscore the fascinating world of tiger snakes, a world that intertwines danger, beauty, and a delicate balance with humans. Remember, understanding and respecting wildlife is key to coexistence. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.